from here. Now, good morning from Brazil, and from my brothers and friends for Nigeria and for Akebulan. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good day, regardless of where you go. They watch this video right now. Na Coastal Capital with this, and with me, JVAN FX. So let's make we get to work. Yeah, so dollar mixed as Trump's lash out against China market talks. Okay, so we won't continue our analysis for today. So before we go do that one, I would like make a remind you now, risk disclaimer. Okay, I remind you now, I know they give trade advice, how to trade, where you go enter trade, where you go take profit, all those kind of things. I know they do am, but me, I dey do my own thing. So when I fit hear me, they talk about I dey do this, I dey do that, I dey do this. If now wetin I go do for myself, for example, based on my strategy, that one na me. Okay, you know me say if you like wetin I dey do and you wan do the same thing, you know, if you do am, if you do the same thing, no problem. But for me, this na wetin me I dey do, and I believe say some of una will get una own personal strategy as analysts and traders. So wetin me I dey do here for Coastal Capital, I dey try analyze the market, talk about where the market dey go, the direction of the market, long term or short term. Okay, so if any of una dey presently right online, dey watch this video and I want make I analyze any currency pair, and I fit even talk about goods. I go even check gold, I go check Bitcoin too. Any currency pair wey I want make I check, I go check am. We will talk about them together. We will look the market, analyze am, and see where the market dey buy go, long term or short term. So before we go start, like I talk, risk disclaimer. Okay, make una trade according to una own strategy, una own style. I'm not gonna put it like that. Make una trade according to una own style. All right, make we start. Today na Friday 30. So the month don't end today. The month go end today. So new month will start on Monday. As market is start on Monday like this, now new month. So the analysis what we go do now, like I dey always talk, we'll scatter the market from top to bottom, which means we go scatter am from the monthly time frame, go weekly, daily, 4 hours, then maybe 1 hour, maybe. So and like that we go do am. So for me not to talk too much, make I begin. But before we go continue, like really continue, when we look wetin dey happen for here. News: Trump tariff are under threat, but port ain't seeing a big rebound yet. That's bad news. When we go calendar, Jare, now that one I want to go. All right, Friday. We just jump to Friday. Friday. Where you are? Where you dey? Can I be this? So Friday we get this news don't pass, and we get excuse me. The news will come out for card. You know do well. US dollar itself, everything just there as it dey, stand still. So nothing much. So next week we see. Next week starting from Monday, we'll go start from Monday next week. News where we will see where they come out. So Sunday for Brazilian time, then Monday we don't really get anything that much. Now only this one we get here, US dollar. That one will be around kind 11 a.m. from Brazilian time. I don't know how I go Brazilian time. That was 4 hours different from Brazil to Nigeria. So it will be around that kind 3. Yep. Abi? I did right. 11 from 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I did right now. 11, 3. Okay, and then we get around 2 p.m. Chairman go talk. Chairman go speak. Powell go speak. Now, news where we need to pay attention to now be this very, very important. Then on Tuesday next week, we get CHF CPI. We need to pay attention. Bank of Japan too. This one we need. It will make sense. We could pay attention to. And US dollar jobless opening. And I think say yeah, that one will get with that. Then later on for night for Brazilian time, that one will be around kind 3:30 for Nigerian time. Where my Nigerian people then with all the crash. And I with the GDP, AUD, very important. For some of them, we go there wait to like cash, see how the market go react. Very important we could watch that one. US dollar 9:15 a.m. in the morning on Wednesday. Very important, I guess. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, so we get card around 9 and 10:45 a.m. Wow. Excuse me. Okay. Bank of Canada rate statement. Very important to be aware of overnight rates. And US dollar card again. Press conference. Bank of Canada press conference on Wednesday around 11:30. That's 3:30 p.m. for Nigeria. You wanna pay attention. And then Euro main refine ref, refinancing rates. This one we need to pay attention, and this one too on Thursday we need to pay very, very close attention. And later around 9:45 a.m. in the morning, still on Thursday, we get European Central Bank press conference. High impact. We need to pay attention. So all this news we are talk about now next week, and the big day on Friday. This is not news where we need to stay focused on. Our hearts, our soul, our body must be here. Because if you no go fit trade, stay out. If you go fit trade, take advantage of the market, take advantage of the market. All right, we'll go inside the market. Now we see right now, year 9 days strong pass as we see for year. JPY 34.21% plus, and card don't they push come up to card now 20.85% plus. Dollar we don't go down, don't they come up again. The pound self they close by. So AUD drop, Australia dollar for Yakata for ground. Now was pass 35.33 minus 35%. Euro self they go up, NZD self they down. What do you call it? Pounds don't drop minus 2% for there. So far. Now this guy 9 they run things. We are more dive enter inside the chart. More we go see as they go. Alright, so Euro USD, like I talk on Monday, I analyze Euro USD. I say Euro USD for the week now sell. And the market sell it sell nicely. We sell beautifully. But now see what they happen. Market buyers come push go up because we know if you deny the fact, say support the year back in time, then buyers push price go up because the buyers then we push price come up like this. The manipulation can enter inside, market can gap from here when the market open. Instead of how to open for here, it can gap go up. It can sell small, buyers can finally push and go up. Sellers push and come down, come here. So this area and support area back in time. We will see say for here the market do support, here it do resistance. Now it come back and test that level before buyers can enter market, push price go up again. So we will see how this market will close for this week. That one will give us, it will tell us what will happen for next week. So monthly, like I say the monthly go end because now the 30 9 be this, so month will end this month. Yeah, I mean this today, month will end today. So if month end today, by on Monday, waiting this market they tell me that say consolidation dey inside the market, some kind of ceiling consolidation dey inside the market. This na inside bar like this. So and as e dey be right now, so I dey see a very strong bullish movement for the monthly time frame. So it makes sense say if this candle close like this, for example, it makes sense make this market buy go up first. Yeah, like if you buy reach this level, make you can't reject, or make you even cross out small. If you even reach this level again, we no know. The market will move any way like when it wants, any as you want to before it begin to change direction, you know. So at this point, where the market is now, so me I go to look for opportunity to sell up by next week. Now waiting me I go dey expect be that why I go dey expect to sell the market where they fly they go up like this. They're easy now. So me not resistance with this. Not be so. I resistance with that now. I be waiting I dey see they different. I made that color black. You understand? So see the resistance here. April 1st, market reject for here. And May 1st too. Waiting happen. Market too reject for here. Even when it say go down, it still go up. It still at least these two area now don't confirm say no time when I look for sell. Market go must drop. It must drop. When it ready go drop. But we're not gonna see that drop for the monthly time frame. So we'll see for the smaller time frame. So we'll go the weekly time frame. And as it be for the weekly time frame, we will see and say those 2 months, April and May, we will see that rejection. We'll see as the market from here, it reject, come down, come go up, reject, come back. You see, and I'm gonna notice say price they always they close below this low here. Every time market come there, it go close below her. Like it close below for here, it close below here, it close below here, it close below her. And now too when it come here, it still close below her. So this is not price action. Now price action now we dey see what happen here. So now they see so better price action. And now this market, this kind can't do like this. If it close like this for resistant area and I sell. But I feel they look at say this market go buy because of the bullish pressure from the week. We they see correct bullish pressure. But when I not go reason the market go sell. The sell they come. From the analysis where they see yes, the sell they come. And again, if we look the big picture, we'll see say the market the trend go up. So higher highs, right? Higher low. So right now, we they get higher low right now for here. But the market they refuse to go make another high. In other words, it be like if say something won't happen for the market won't reverse. It don't reach the junction when it go. For example, maybe now now here now it don't carry passenger from here reach Aja area under bridge. Waiting happen, it go reverse back, it go carry another passenger, it go back. Maybe now from Mobile Lane they carry passenger they come. Maybe now from Oshodi they carry passenger they come. It go return back to that area. Now like that it be. And if we look very well, we will see say this level na key level of support on the monthly time frame. May 1st, 2025, monthly support low area. Market go fall, come down, come reach here. Because now the first time where the market they bounce for this place go up as support. Now the sense so when time reach, the market go do it as it don't go up, so eventually go come, it go still bounce up. If you come here again, it go still bounce. Before finally maybe later I go come break and go down. Now the sense so now we see they happen for Euro USD. Be that daily time frame. If we go daily time frame, we will see what they happen for daily time frame. We will see say for daily time frame, just like we get price action movement for daily, for weekly, we also get price action movement for here. See the price action movement. See the price action movement. Pin bar, bearish engulfing. The market sell nicely. It come down. It bounce off, go up from daily support area, couple up together with weekly support area. Now the thing is, so these two areas, you know, say we get support for here back in time for here. So it makes sense if the market reach this level, it bounce, it go do it, it go fly, go up. And that thing where we see so. I see so. Now that thing where we see, that's why the market buyers will push price from here go up. Market break out from this beautiful nice resistance. Then we dey here, we plenty for here. It break out, it retest time, it can't go all the way up, can't come back, can't test and can't go up again. So we go expect for some kind of double top now we dey see for where the market will create. Now they say so. And again, we will see say it makes sense the time where the market dey buy, it makes sense as the market dey buy. Why it makes sense? Say the market dey buy the time where they buy the way they buy. It makes sense because the trend now up now. So back in time, it will make sense say we dey buy the market. When it reach here, we buy. When it reach here, we buy. Because it makes sense. As in like the weekly and the daily, they agree with each other. Both of them face the same direction. You see, and so the two of them face Obalende. Now the direction of Obalende now them face. You see, and so the motorway they drive them Obalende now they face. They don't get any other direction. So if we buy this market back in time, it make many sense. We buy them for 1 hour. We buy them for 4 hour time frame. Now it be like say passenger don't follow. Conductor don't dey tell driver, oh yeah, come the ride they go because passenger don't full inside motor. Your motor could begin to change direction. This time around, maybe now Oshodi. This time around, maybe now Surulere, wherever they want go. Oh yeah, time don't they reach. So this na better price action now happen for you right now. Better one. Before na go close on eye, open pack market don't begin the tear go down. And anybody we not dey inside motor that sure you want pursue motor wey don dey drive dey carry passenger dey go, you no go try am now. You go wait make the market reach one bus stop, pause. When it pause, you can't look for better see the market, say the market dey for better resistant area. Then you do it in, you look for bearish candlestick pattern. And if you sabi how to use moving average, those simple moving average or exponential moving average, you go take do it. They find entry for the smaller time frame, they sell the market. So now that will be 4 hour time frame. When I go see say 4 hour time frame now, don't change everything for here. And I go see 4 hour time frame don't change everything. Now that's it. So before the market they go uptrend, market structure don't change, extension. This go be retracement, no doubt. Why? We see say even the short term trend for inside this extension leg back in time. The market they do lower lows, come here. Then it come make higher high because when it break the high wait for here, it make higher high here, higher low. Now, waiting will they see for here? Now lower low will they see so. Now lower low now will they see. So make I use my indicator show now. See lower low. Now they say so. Now lower low be that. So not be every time the indicator go show now the correct low. So now you need to learn how to identify lows and highs very well for the market with that indicator. So right now, as the market don't make lower low now, so it makes sense. After a low, a high must come. Now the market will go up. And as the market go up, we're gonna take note. See as the market rejects. Oh boy, I'm gonna see that fine weeks 1, 2, 3, 4. And we get this one for here to back in time 5. Wow, strong resistance. And now from the weekly April 28, 2005 weekly resistance / low area. Now the market for the reject. Tell me why we no go sell this market for 1 hour chart back in time. Look at that. See that strong bearish engulfing. I'm not be joke. We'll just by now we don't make money this year. So we will look for opportunity to sell again for here for the smaller time frame. Maybe the 1 hour we will see. Exactly. See now. Now see that movement. So the market go for here. All the time frame. Now one sweet thing about this market, all the time frame get resistance and support. When I see this level here, so the market reject for here. Now see so the market reject for that place. So I go like put audio highs and lows. I mean audio highs together. I don't want to miss anyone. So for example, I just take this trend line and just draw like this from here. Hey shit. Now see that resistance there. So how many? One after this break into the downside, the market reject 1, 2, 3, then 4. Now the market already go down. Tell me why we not suppose look for opportunity to sell the market like this. Yeah. For me, as I did so, if this market just back give me bearish engulfing candlestick pattern for here under this daily low, I mean daily resistance area here. Abba, omo, how many minutes to go? We get about like 37 minutes to go for this candle to close. Once this candle close, bearish candlestick pattern, omo, I don't sell oh, but I go still have to check. May I see, for example, oh, for me, oh, I know they talk to anybody else, oh, so more than trade according to our strategy, oh. So the market already, as it did, so it all set for me to sell as it did like this. I feel even enter the market. That one I mean based on my own strategy. But then I expect the market to fall come here because we get better imbalance for here. You see, so we get better imbalance. So the market, it try to make it reach here before, but it never reach here complete, so it go still reach here. So when it reach here, it go still do some kind shenanigans stop. Eventually, now down, now they go. Now down, now they go. May I leave this thing, get waiting and they take this thing to here. Alright, so that one are for Euro USD. Man, we don't spend much time on only Euro USD. Come on, move. Now, we'll go check another currency pair. So, I expect, say, anybody where they watch me, we want to make a check any currency pair, make it type for the chat. Make a check what any currency pair we want to make a check. GBP USD, I will do fast about that one. So GBP USD monthly time frame, like I talk, month will end today, and then new month will begin. So we get support for here monthly time frame, right? For here back in time. So we get resistance for here. We get not this one. We get resistance for here. So the market break go up, but it no come this level before it retrace. The market come 50% of this candle, I think. More measure around with the ruler, more see almost 50% from the low to the high, almost 50%. Now the market reach before it do anything, before it retrace. So support there for here. For whatsoever reason we make the market retrace for your support there here. So more just mark that one out like that. That will come from the monthly time frame. So I will do it like this. So this color now for the monthly time frame. And it will be support. So now green support monthly, and then we get another support area here. So the market resists for the close of the candle, and for the open of the candle we get support too for there. And now we get resistance for the high of this same candle. Resistance there, but we see say as it be right now, the market it already beat that high. It all go all the way up here, because even for here where the market comes to resistance there, will be the resistance here. Now the resistance be this. Back in time, market resist after the market break go down for here, it resists for here 1 2. So it makes sense as the market come here already. These two resistance here don't establish this place as a very strong resistance area. That's why when the market come there, buyers enter the market, say we dey here, they wait for you. Then do it. They begin to push price go down gradually. But then the trend now up, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. Make we check our indicator. Boy, I go confirm. Yes, our indicator confirm say we get not be even for here. The higher high start from. The higher high start from here. So make I correct them. The higher highs start from a higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, and then we don't get another higher high here. Although the higher high there never complete, but the higher high right now. I go like use yellow, right? No, may I use green? All right, makes sense like this. That's a monthly. Okay, go show for only monthly. So now that's like that. So now short-term uptrend now be that correct one, now be this. So it makes sense. Say the market they fall from this place because of what? This level of resistance area. Make I they lock them so that I know take my hand go shift them. So I go be next month. Well, it be like he say the market will still continue to buy. But if this go be the high, this area here, if it go be the high, then the market go sell. The market go sell. And then make we no forget say this na breakout right now, this na breakout. So if this market close for on top this place, two things go happen. Either the market first sell, go anywhere we want sell go, maybe e go come 50% of the candle, I don't know, or e go first buy, because I dey see bullish pressure, bullish trend for the candle body, bullish pressure for the candle wick to the upside. Now wetin I dey see be that. So if the bulls dey strong for inside the market fit buy, go all the way up, go up, come reject, come back, come test this level, just like as e do for here before. So the difference wey dey for this, I mean wey probably wey go dey na say when this candle close for here, e first sell come here before e come begin dey buy go up, and now sellers don dey push am go down. So maybe e go different, maybe e go do the same thing, we no know. You understand? So make we just see as e dey go, because we no dey trade for the monthly time frame, but wetin we dey try to understand for this monthly time frame na say long term this market na buy, because we dey see say the trend na up, so we go dey look for opportunity to buy for the smaller time frame. For me na so me I go like do. Na so for here for the weekly time frame I dey see say, so this na the monthly support and resistance. All these red line and green line, monthly support and resistance area. So let's see. Okay, this one are weekly. So we get weekly up, short term trend to now up. Now this so now up. So right now, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. Weekly short term uptrend, right? So what did the weekly they tell me? What the monthly not tell me? The weekly they tell me say sell they come. That one I waited the monthly not tell me though. But then this na inside bar. This na bearish candle signal for sell. But the tricky thing where they for them I say something they where they fishy, like they suspicious. Now say this fit be inside bar to buy too at the same time. Why? Because breakout, retest, when the market go open on Monday, it go just go up. That is if the dollar dey weak. So yen fit take advantage to push price go, but believe me, this na sell. Now where this market, for example, for my own personal opinion, where this market, because after a high, a low must come, right? A low must come. Now, if the market go cause sell, for me on the weekly time frame, where I go sell go, I dey see resistance here, many resistance, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, strong resistance where the market buyers with all those big players with their millions, they push price go up. So if market go sell, maybe go sell come here. You understand? So that one I waiting at the reason. Say if at all when the market open for the week, if you want sell, maybe na here we go sell come. So this one will be support for the. That's why I just do the color, make it dim a little bit lighter. May not too strong like the monthly. So we'll see the different among us. So the market 54 come there, come retest here. Understand? So far, now waiting with the see with this. Inside back candle with this. Although the wick they outside, but the body of the candle there and the market gap come down, I expect a sell. Even if the market day trend go up. Just like when the market reach, for example, when the market reach here, after the market make high, it make a low. So if this, like I talk, if that's why I use the word if this go be the high, then the market must sell. But if not go be the high, then the market will go up to go create that high. Understand? So now the daily, we don't come the daily. The daily too, just like the monthly, the weekly, the daily too, the trend go up. And one good thing for the daily, I say the market structure, the daily now up. Talking about extension retracement. The market structure for the daily now up, as you they see for here. So make a draw them out. So I get extension, I get retracement, I get extension, retracement, I get Yes, I get extension for here. But since the market don't make new high for here, normally this na extension, retracement, extension. Then the market can't change the direction, extension, retracement to the downside, extension. But since the market don't make new abi, we'll just do one like that. Put one like that. So we get extension, we get retracement, we get extension for here. So now there that one extension end back in time. So make we now the daily abi? Yes, now the daily. Then for here, yeah, the market get retracement here. Alright. So now back in time, the market took on do its own extension. After we break this one, the borderline of this up market structured trend previously. So it can't change. Instead, we can't do your own extension, retracement, extension for here. And may I change it to black. Now, this market too can't do anything. It can't do your own extension, retracement, extension. I will change it to blue. And now see so now the market structure on the daily extension now up. The trend, the market structure trend now up. The market structure trend now up. The short-term trend like higher highs, higher lows, higher highs now also up. So it will make sense make we always buy the market. Always. But how we go dey buy market we go for where they come, where we say it hits monthly and even daily. The daily itself, the supporter for the daily here, we get monthly key hotspots points of concentration of resistance area. Why we go to buy am? This resistance area it is strong, very from the higher time frame. This resistance area from the monthly is stronger than the up market structure where they go up from the daily. Very, very strong, that resistance area. And when the market reach that area or for the daily time frame, when I see wetin happen, bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing now one of the most important signal candle reversal pattern where as beginner analyst and trader we must put inside consideration. Wherever that consideration dey where we get down, we must take this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, we will go put am inside that consideration. We will leave am there, we will study am. It is very important. So if back in time we know and we get this information for the smaller time frame, when the market trace come here, as in like the market retrace come here, we will sell the market. And guess what? We will make money from here, reach here. Because we dey see say the market break out of strong resistant level, so it makes sense make the market come back or retest am. You see am so if we sell from here back in time, we don make money reach here. By now we go just dey rest, dey happy. Weekend don come on, na to go flex. We go save the one wey we wan save. We go use one the money wey we wan use to help our family and friends. Then the one we go take flex, take relax. After we don pay our bills, we go flex because we go make better money for inside this market. So for me, I still expect a buy because it makes sense from the daily, from the monthly, from the weekly, make I dey buy this market. But sell they come. I dey smell sell for inside this market. I dey better sell they come. This market go still buy, go up. Price action, we will come see the sell. I don't know how far the sell will go. I don't know how far, but the sell they come. More than watch this video again, and I go see and say wetin I talk based on the analysis, not because of say I know, but based on the analysis, sell they come. And I understand so, sell they come for inside this one. 4 hour time frame. Wetin 4 hour time frame dey do? 4 hour time frame market structure now up. Short term trend. US dollar moves lower after data dump, but there are some limits, which means US dollar go still strong again. Now they try talk for there. So Now where the market out from here, come retest here, come go up, come down, retest and two for inside here. Wow, see this beautiful buy for 30-minute charts. Oh, we'll buy this market for 30-minute chart. We don't make money reach here. Forex market sweet. We just need to know what we need to know. You know, pin bar. See this one. You enter the market. Target this level. Better. This area. What make the market buy come here? What make the market buy come here? Now because we get imbalance. If we know what they call imbalance they inside here. Imbalance now wetin they call. You see where sellers sell the market, they never can trade reach that area. And so imbalance they from the candle high to the candle low. No market don't come that area. So that space na imbalance. And as we see so back in time, if we buy this market reach here or more, just as we sell from here reach here, make money, we'll buy, go back there to that place, because it makes sense if we dey buy, like I talk, from the higher time frame. It makes sense if we buy the market, even if we buy the market on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, it make many sense, plenty sense there. We go sell, we go buy, but sell they come as this market dey. So Mona no worry, it go still buy, go up. I dey expect am to still buy, go all the way up right here. So the way the market they do sometimes, the things where we know they see for the higher time frame, we see them for the 1 hour, and the thing we know they see for the 1 hour, we see them for the daily time frame. So as it be for here, like I talk, so we they see, so we get another imbalance for here. You see, and so just like we get this imbalance here, another imbalance there, like this candle where the point this arrow to, imbalance there from here to this level. No market don't come this level. So it makes sense if we buy this market all the time. It makes a lot of sense. May I balance this thing, coordinate 341. So I get 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1. All right, balance like that. Lock up, may I no shift up. So just like we get this imbalance here, where the market don't fill up. So believe me, guys, this market, if he still do waiting, if he still buy, come here before it begins sell finally. Who knows if he still even buy, go up here, because now from here the sellers for start their their push. Now from here they start to pour the money put for inside the market. Sure, they put that sure, the market just fall. Like market we don't get control. And I see so I expect market to buy reach here, then sell, or make it reach up again before it sell, or make it even break this high, go up small before it begin to sell. But I dey see a sell they come for inside this market. GBP USD. Okay, when we see for gold, my people, gold, waiting there for gold, waiting there gold. What's in gold? Let's see. Oh boy, see movement too. So the same analysis where they do for other currency pairs. Gold now buy, like really buy, right? But there market they reject for here. Why? Because it reject for here, so it makes sense make it reject for here from the monthly time frame. And as we see, so it don't reject. But the thing I say, before the market reject, when this one close first, market first sell, come here, because we get support and resistance for here. And now we get support and resistance for here. The market reach here, it can't stop. Abi? Then when it open, it can't sell. It sell come down, come here. Can't test this area, this level, this resistance here. When the market break reach here, the market first sell, can't test and buyers come begin to push price go up until here, they push and come down, come here again. You see, and so then when the market close, it can't sell, can't retest this level, just like what you do for here. But this one no go deep, just reach here. Buyers enter the market again. They push and go up. Market resist from here. Now sellers are the push and they go down. So on the long term, we go see how it go be. But resistance dey here right now, just like resistance dey for here back in time. Resistance also dey for here now. On the sense, so We go see how this candle go close, but I dey see say buyers and sellers one jijakaji. No be so Yoruba dey talk am. Yoruba go say one jijakaji. They lock horn together, serious locking of horn. No be joke. My people for Africa. Sure now they feel me. If una dey feel me, abeg make una like the video. Make una watch the video. As a matter of fact, the thing wey dey important pass na make una watch this video many times to understand the way I dey do this analysis. So all of this now na monthly support and resistance, but I don't want to make too much line dey the chart, so I'll just comot this one. I'll leave these three. We'll go weekly time frame. So now this place will be resistant for inside the weekly time frame. We will see as market just they do shenanigans for that resistant area. If they cross and go up, if they can do support here, cross and go down, cross and go up, cross and go down, cross and go up. For how many weeks they do like that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we are here 7. So the market just they do all sort of nonsense. So I don't know all this China thing. Some people sabi this thing. This na bearish flag like this. If una sabi bearish pattern, this na bearish flag. For me, or maybe I dey see something different where other traders they see something different, which is normal, which is okay. There's no right or wrong. Not be waiting I see. Now you go must see. And I see so. This na bearish, better bearish flag. See I'm face down. Bullish flag and pole. And the pole be this, then the flag come face down. So this kind of movement, waiting I go expect now sell first. So the market go sell come somewhere here. I expect that to, after the breakout for here, after this breakout here, the market break out from here like this. It don't come, it don't test time. Hopefully if it still come back to test here, like this level. So I go expect them to come down to take this level, probably before it will go up. Now waiting I dey expect from waiting I dey see. Now I dey talk waiting I dey see, not waiting I know dey see. Sure now they feel me so. Waiting I dey see, now I dey talk about. This now for weekly, so I will come out the monthly. This one a weekly support area previously. And again we get support for here. So the market use here to do support resistant for here, and finally don't turn support for this level. Then the weekly gets resistant for here back in time. It get resistance here. So this one are the weekly resistance for here. So we see as the market rejects. So for gold for me, back in time, if I say I don't check gold since, I go don't see and say gold go sell, because we get strong massive resistance. 1, 2, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when the market reach here, I don't be joke now, weekly resistance. Market reject for me more. For don't sell this market, make many money. Here go be TP1 and TP2. And I say so massive movement from gold right there. And I don't want to make this thing go all the way to the rest of the smaller time frame. It no go make sense. So may I come out for here. Now see as so. Now see as gold they fall all the way from here weekly. See how it don't fall come here. It do here in a higher low. This level, the indicator will tell us. Now go see how. You see as so higher low, it can make lower high. Because you know go make next higher high, it can make lower high. Now where the sell they start to the come be this. This now inside bar, reversal trend. This inside bar for key level of resistance or support, the reverse trend. So when this market close like this, or more, if you sabi this market back in time, now here the sell start from sure huge amount of money. 9 professional traders all around the world don't make. And they go buy for here again, because this now weekly key level support for here back in time, support for here back in time. So even if the market supports they here too. So even when the market go down here, it still go back up, go close for inside that level. Then it come back here. It come back for here, and it stay for here. That support level here, this red candle. So when the market open, I'm gonna buy now. They know they talk and twice. Now buy. And guess what? All the way to the upside. And now to year two now sell. They don't need to tell us. From the daily standpoint of view, here now support, here now resistant area, another resistant for here. Support resistant pivot points is the strongest area when it comes to support and resistance. Support resistant pivot point are the strongest. They are the strongest of the regular support and resistant area. So this now sell, it's not negotiable. We for don't sell the market from here, make all this money come down here. But for me, I still see more of sell for gold. Like I talked before, I see more of sell. So if I see more of sell, we are going to expect gold to sell to. It don't sell this year, it don't reject. Yes, I know, it don't reject. I expect gold to sell this year. More than not cost me for a month. Say wetin JVAN they interpret for here. Say now you they move the market the way you want make market sell come here. I will explain the reason why I talk say yeah now where market is sell go be this. You see this inside bar for here back in time, eh? You see this inside bar here, market breakout. Now big boys now then do this move now. Now them with their millions. Now then do this move. This na demand zone. Na demand zone. Since when the market go up, the market don't come here, contest this demand zone. Ever since, the answer na no. It never come now. See, now here now it make that attempt to come, but here na monthly support key level. That's why the market reject from here, push go all the way here. But guess what? More than don't forget say we're not there for uptrend again, oh. Because uptrend don't terminate from this level. Even from here, the market don't make lower low, higher low, lower high. We go expect the next lower low now here the market they come. This now where me I expect price to fall to this demand zone. Now they expect and fall. It don't come take, it don't grab as some people go talk. It don't grab liquidity for here. The inefficiency for here. Inside, yes now inefficiency we did for here. Market don't come grab and go up. I'd expect lower low for here. If the market take anything, take come here like this, or I'm gonna just get a deal because the buyers, those millionaires that will print this candle like this, will print this data like this, go up. All of them go enter the market, they go up, but they go fire the market, go up again. That time, me and you, we must make sure say we inside this market, or else the market will just take advantage of us instead of us we take advantage of the market, and it no go make sense like that. So wait till we come they learn about this business for now. It will make sense. So we could try. But then this is not bullish flag. So this is my bullish flag where yes, bullish flag. This is my bullish flag where they talk. So if it don't make sense, if you be say I did wrong, I never can tell, and I feel still did right. So I feel they don't say the market go come here, the market actually not come here. And I say so. So but for me, waiting at the scene, I say gold go sell. That one at my own direction where I did talk about gold go sell. Now we'll see Bitcoin. Then if we quickly check Bitcoin, we'll take another currency pair. After that currency pair, that we'll round up for this week, monthly time frame. May I lock close this indicator. Hey, Bitcoin. Me I dey see sell for Bitcoin too. And I dey see resistance there. Beautiful resistance. This one are from the monthly. So it makes sense when the market reach here, they begin to go down. Yeah, it makes sense because we get strong resistance for here. Now, even back in time, we go notice for Bitcoin here, resistance day here. But at the same time, resistance day here. And when market close below this resistance, even when it go up again, eventually come down for here, we support serve as support. But guess what happened? Because we get resistance here, and we get resistance here, it makes sense say Bitcoin sell from here. Because this area like this back in time, now correct resistance. Understand so? Now correct resistance. That's why when Bitcoin open for here, sellers we push price them come down here, and those we push price down back in time, they enter with huge amount of millions, and they push price come down, come this level. And it makes sense, say, for this level, it makes sense make them buy, because see this candle where buyers print back in time to go up like this, then sit down, they relax. After the whole money where they don't make, they first relax, they perch, they wait. So when sellers push price come here, then push and go up. But sellers, they more for inside the market back then, so price no go up that much. But when the market open for another month, that is, sellers push and go down, buyers enter and back, then push and go up. Say, guy, relax. They push and go up, sellers push and come down. You see, so, and then when the market close for here like this, so sellers still they do their, they do their thing, then push and buyers enter with their millions again. This time around, buyers can't enter, put more money, then put much money for inside the market. The market begin to go up. Ooh, yeah. Sellers will push price down for here. Now then they push and they go gradually. Now so it go make sense if, as the market dey like this now, so if it close, or when it close, if it at all if it close like this, for example, it go make sense make the market first go up, test this level, then probably come back here. Anyhow, sellers dey inside this market, then they push this market. It likely make sellers even push market come this level, or probably this level where we get breakout for here, before probably buyers will come push and go up again. Now on waiting, I dey see when I get. So for here right now, I dey see this beautiful I dey see resistance for here. So I will take this resistance into consideration. So now here I expect price to reach. So I dey see a sell coming for Bitcoin to this level, and that will be, so make I put a line to indicate the number. So that one are resistant from the monthly time frame. So 102,000. So all the way from 111,000 to 102,000. It's possible now. So that one are waiting me at the expect so far. When I get that one are waiting me at the expect so far for Bitcoin. And weekly time frame. Take this out. So this one now for the weekly. I believe so that's the weekly. Now weekly with that this one here. Now weekly. So we go see, say market they reject for here. So we get resistance for this level on the 20th of January 2025. Market reject for this place 1, 2, and 3. So it makes sense, and together with the monthly too, where they here. So it makes sense make this market fall go down, and as we see, so the market already fall. And like I talk, this na inside bar for resistant area, it means reversal. May I draw well? So I will take on like this, like this. This candle, definitely this candle will close like this for this week. Now inside bar for a key level of resistance. Come on, man, sell they come. Better sell, now they come. And we get imbalance for here. The middle of this candle. From this week here to this week, it show me say I get imbalance here. I get imbalance. So market they come here, and then we still get another imbalance here too. My measure them from here to here. So imbalance they here too. I check the coordinates to balance and well. I get 89,64406. 89,644.06. Alright, don't balance like that. So I'll just lock them. Back time frame now weekly, may I close out for here, may I leave out just like this, including this one. Coordinates, first close out from here, check coordinates. 42. Okay, this one balance, I lock them. So all this place now for me now area of, I call them point of interest. May I say, may I use that word, point of interest, where market go sell to. From my own personal humble opinion, I expect price to sell to this area and this area. But any asha, we go see how the market they go. But I know say the trend now up from the weekly, from the weekly, daily, I mean weekly and monthly. We dey see say the market the trend go up. Abi, the market the trend go up, and we get the weekly support area. No doubt, we see say markets here na resistance. This one can't do anything. It can't break, go up. The market come down here, test time, can't still go back up again. Now price don't come there again. As what? As the support from the weekly time frame. So support there for here. So now we get strong support. 1, 2, very very strong support area there. So I think this thing. I don't need them now. Delete them. Now the sales. So for this junction now, what do we expect price to do for this junction? For me, I will expect more sell. But before the sell will come, I'll go check the smaller time frame, because now for the smaller time frame I go see the sell. Now see, so I'll go the smaller time frame, daily time frame. What is daily time frame? They tell me. So this now, may I come out this one? I go to put them again. So now see back in time, when I see that this now bearish engulfing, even if the body is small, this now bearish because it engulfed this body. Now see so. Now bearish engulfing, this candle engulf this candle, so it's a bearish engulfing. Don't forget about the week. Now bearish engulfing. Back in time, now sell for this area. Imagine the money where you could not make if now say you sabi how to read candlestick patterns very well for a key level, weekly resistant key level area. And I see very strong movement, very strong engulfing. We break, it break a monthly resistant area, weekly resistant area go up, it come break and come inside. Price action, then weak rejection, weak rejection, weak rejection, weak rejection. All this now say the market, sellers mona enter, sellers will do this one and then can't do it. Buyers too, they struggle to push price, they follow them fight seriously. That's why we see all these weak rejection, a serious fight between buyers and sellers. But eventually, sellers are winning. When I say so, sellers they win this market. Oh, I don't get a lot on gold. Crossing down for resell. Crossing down. Anyway, I expect that go to session. So as it be here for the daily, I did see strong support and resistance for here back in time. You see, this now resistance here, resistance, and then we get support, and support. Now this one don't break past that level, so I go put my support level. So for here, 40, this color. Now see also this now daily support level where market bands go up back in time. Finally now sellers are crushed, sellers don't crush them, don't break, come here, come weekly support area. Now this weekly support area, market they buy for here. There's only one reason why, because now strong support, key level previously resistant, break to the upside, support twice, and now the market come there here and here. So now strong support level for there right now. So if I want to, I will put another one like this as what for the daily support area. So we get weekly support, daily support as what? As a very strong area of concentration. And I don't see so. And then maybe I feel even decide to leave this one for here. Then I choose here as what? As support, daily support again. I feel decide to take this one out. So may I just come out this one. then leave this one like this. So we get weekly support, daily support, because already the market don't reject for year support back in time, and we get 1, 2, 3. So it makes sense when the market they go up like this, we don't buy from here. We don't buy for this area for the smaller time frame. The buy will start from this area. Once price close above this level, we don't buy. We don't buy straight. Take profit for this level. Where the market come go be take profit target. On the smaller time frame, we go see them now. Signal go there. You know, signal go there. More go the back to daily. Quickly back to daily. Okay, we'll leave that one. 4-hour time frame. Oops. And for 4-hour time frame, what did the market tell us? The market, the trend go down, right? Yes, the market, the trend go down, but the market never make any better. But let's see. The indicator will show us. Sometimes if the day difficult like this, the indicator will show us. So we get higher low here. So once the market terminate that higher low for here, see the higher low here, the market terminate the higher low, so we can get lower low. So now we get lower low. So now the lower high be this, but there we still call this one lower high, even if they say higher high, because the market no go make higher high. The higher high we supposed to see is supposed to terminate this high. So this now our lower high, even if it show higher high. Then we get another lower low here, and we get a lower high here, and we get a lower low here. Maybe that for the 4-hour time frame. So we get markets where the trend go down for the 4-hour time frame, and then we get our trend line too, because once the market don't confirm for us the trend, it go make we put our trend line. Oops. Like this. So now our trend line with that, where they confirm for us say the market they down 4-hour time frame. All right, so for me, if the market still buy, I will expect the market to buy. If you want buy, no problem, make it buy. I expect them to buy, can't reach here because we get imbalance for here, right? Then from this area, I will expect them to go down, because already for the 4-hour time frame, because 4-hour time frame itself get your own support and resistance. Not be so. Of course, now you guys get your own. We get resist support here. We get beautiful support. Beautiful support from here. Support, market break. So it makes a mid market can retest. And this one are bearish engulfing. And movement. This now movement say the market sellers are taking price down. So if the market for any reason come here, for me, I will look for sell to go down from this level. So that one are the analysis way as make a share with you now. For those of you who like Bitcoin and those who will like gold, now waiting I did see. Now I don't share with my own analysis and with my only 2 experience for inside this business. And I understand, so now waiting I make a share with now with that. Sharply massy. Sharply waiting NZD, Euro NZD the talk. Euro NZD na sell. Yeah, inside bar. Some kind of Momo consolidation now they see for inside Euro NZD. The trend now up. Now see the consolidation, so some kind of Momo consolidation when it get a CB sha 90 here. So we get support for here on the weekly time frame. There is this, we get support for this level. We get support here like this. 50 support, the weekly support for here. But I would like go up further. I would prefer to stay like this, because we get this support, this one, and now market don't turn from here. Even the body of the candle, they form support and resistance too. But then we get one support for here, and we get the monthly support area for this level right here. So we feel even use, but I know they like use too much past, but we feel use this one too as a support, weekly support for here. So the market bounce up from this place to push go up. It makes sense. Then we get resistance for here. Back in time, we see market reject for this area. Now better resistance might be that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It makes sense make the market sell. When I say so, when I consolidation with the C for there, so when I go say I get, do you ever get plenty lines for in chart? Of course. If you want to understand and trade this market in the correct way or more, you must get to the use this line. But as time goes on, when your eye don't master the chart very well, you know go to put lines too much for inside your chart again. Someone like me, I do this one based on I want make you understand. Now they see consolidation. I get support, I get resistance, support, resistance, support, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it makes sense when the market 4 come here. And when the market 4 come here, it makes sense make it buy, go or back. Abi? So I see sell for inside this market. From the monthly time frame perspective, I see sell. Market they reject for resistance. I see bullish pressure. And even if the market make attempt to go up, it will still come down because we get this strong level of resistance from the monthly time frame. We get support too. So how this candle go close also go show us waiting go happen. But then now consolidation. Now they see from the daily. That consolidation even there for the weekly, we see here. We get bullish pressure from the week. So it makes sense when the market go up. After when the market break out, come inside here. For me, it will make sense probably if it still buy go up to retest this level before it go fall go down again. But now consolidation. I get the way I trade my own consolidation. For example, now this guy me I they use Bollinger Band. Because Bollinger Band they help too. They form dynamic support and resistance, the bands. So I they use them together with my strategy to trade the market. So I go see stand on the side of sell. So when the market come here, I go sell and go down. So that one is my own personal humble opinion on this market. If we go for 4-hour time frame, we go see the consolidation huge. You see also. And again, if we follow the trend, we will see and say the 4-hour trend, it did previously it did down, it can't go up, but right now the trend did down from here. Like this. We get lower low, we get lower high, and we get lower low. If we do our own analysis very well, I will say and say the trend now be this. So it makes sense if the market go up, it already test this level, this imbalance here, and the weekly resistance area. Now the market will come this level of imbalance too for here. Now it reject for this level. So anything, I would like to say the market come down to this level once more. Now waiting me I could do for my own if I want to trade this market. So thank you very much all of you. We take una time to follow me. Even if no comments, no put any currency per make analyze, I still appreciate una. And those of you we go watch this video, we can watch them over and over and again. We can share it with una friends because I don't share some key important information where many of us as beginner traders, including me back in time, where I know they put into consideration because I know now. But now where I know, I make I share and to help una will be beginner analysts and also traders. Hopefully it will help una to trade. To change una way of analysis and trade the market. So I want to appreciate una. I want to thank una very much. All of una waiting for Akebulan. I call Africa Akebulan because now the real name of our continent might be that. So make una not be surprised. Anyway, it did good say I get opportunity to share this business, technical analysis with una. I want to thank una once more. Mona, take care. Enjoy on our weekend. The next week Monday we're going to see we analyze the market again. This na Coastal Capital and with me here na JVAN FX.